Today's video is going to be an exciting one because we're diving into the world of animation. And the best part is, we're talking about the hottest free animation software in 2024. So if you're a budding animator or just looking to spice up your content, you're in the right place. Start with Animator. Animator is changing the way companies do things like training, teaching, motivating, selling, communicating, and sharing content. It allows users to easily create their own professional live or animated videos in just a few minutes without needing any technical skills. The platform has 15 million users in 220 countries, including big companies like Visa, Johnson & Johnson, GSK, McDonald's, and Dell Tech. With Animator, you can make high-quality videos, whether they're animated or live, at 4K resolution. This is useful for various purposes like introducing new employees, marketing, building a brand, and explaining complex ideas. It helps companies quickly adjust to changes in the market, giving them an advantage over others. 2. Vyond. Get professional results without the effort. Vyond is an AI-powered video creation platform that gives you the capabilities of a video production studio at your fingertips, from writing scripts to producing finished videos. With Vyond Go, the industry's first generative AI-powered script and video creator, you can instantly generate a rough-cut video from a simple text prompt. Then use Vyond Studio, our powerful drag-and-drop video creator, to edit those videos or create original ones with the help of thousands of pre-made characters, templates, and backgrounds. This software is designed to enhance your communication efforts, easily create professional videos that elevate your business communications. Capture the attention of today's easily distracted stakeholders with engaging videos suitable for any industry and job role. Rest assured that your data is secure on our enterprise platform, which is ISO certified and compliant with GDPR and CCPA regulations. Vyond Go introduces the AI-powered script and video creator, making video creation instant. Enter a prompt or use your pre-existing content to create a script instantly, and Vyond will generate a video in seconds. Use the simple text-based editor to refine your video quickly. Then either deploy it as is or fine-tune it further in Vyond Studio. Vyond Studio provides a powerful drag-and-drop timeline-based video creator with full video creation and editing capabilities. With hundreds of pre-made templates, over 40,000 props, and a comprehensive character creator, you have the tools to build the exact video you need for any industry or use case. 3. RenderForest. RenderForest is a comprehensive branding platform that provides users with top-notch online tools for creating high-quality videos, graphic designs, logos, mock-ups, and websites with minimal time and effort. To kick off the creative process, utilize the online logo maker, enabling you to establish a unique and memorable brand without the need for a design team. This tool empowers you to craft high-resolution, custom logos tailored to various needs, which can be easily downloaded in just a few clicks. For showcasing your designs, the platform offers realistic mock-ups on a variety of objects and layouts. Choose your preferred mock-up template from the extensive library, upload your files, adjust colors, and obtain high-quality visuals effortlessly. The video editor is another noteworthy feature, allowing you to create studio-quality explainer animations, logo reveals, intros, slideshows, and various other types of videos without requiring technical skills. Simply explore the video template library, select your favorite, edit it directly in the browser, and have an engaging video ready in no time. RenderForest extends its capabilities to website creation, enabling you to build responsive and modern websites without any coding knowledge. Whether starting from scratch or editing pre-designed templates, the built-in tools facilitate customization to suit your preferences. You can preview your website on different devices and publish it with a single click. You can explore the categories of ready-to-use design packs, choose a template, customize it, and download your file. 4. Powtoon. Powtoon stands out as the leading visual communication platform, enabling individuals to craft professional and captivating videos and presentations within minutes, even without prior design or technical expertise. Trusted by over 30 million users, including 96% of Fortune 500 companies, Powtoon is the go-to tool for diverse purposes such as corporate training, HR, internal communications, marketing, and sales. Established in 2012, Powtoon has global offices in London, San Francisco, Tel Aviv, Ukraine, and the Philippines. Users can effortlessly create their own studio-quality HD live and animated videos, eliminating the need for expensive video production teams. The platform boasts a vast library featuring professionally designed templates, scenes, characters, props, videos, soundtracks, and more. Users can also upload their own media, including videos, GIFs, images, and voiceovers, allowing them to engage their audience effectively and prompt them to care, connect, and take action. This animation software empowers individuals and businesses to communicate visually in a dynamic and accessible way. And number 5, Modo. Modo is a robust 3D modeling, texturing, and rendering toolset designed to empower artists by eliminating technical hurdles during creative exploration. Serving as the starting point for various creative ventures, Modo allows artists to freely iterate and develop ideas. Whether crafting real-time experiences, product designs, advertising images, or film and video content, Modo's artist-friendly tools unleash the full creative potential of your concepts. As part of the Enterprise Solution Partnership Package, Modo not only provides photorealistic capabilities, but also includes colorway for rapid iteration. Users benefit from access to Modo experts for asset creation, expert training, and dedicated support throughout their digital design transformation. This animation software excels in enabling fast direct modeling, flexible procedural modeling, mesh fusion Boolean toolset, and built-in sculpting tools. Its advanced photorealistic viewport, progressive renderer, look dev for Unity and Unreal allow users to visualize and discover the ultimate potential of their designs efficiently. Modo's intuitive and artist-friendly toolset liberates creators from constraints, allowing them to focus on creation rather than construction. From roughing out volumes to intricate detailing, Modo streamlines workflows and continually enhances efficiency. With Python and C++ APIs, a customizable UI, and support for industry-standard formats, Modo seamlessly integrates into your pipeline, providing a versatile and powerful solution for 3D design. Whether you're an aspiring animator or just looking to add some flair to your content, this is the tool for you. Keep in mind that similar to most free versions, there are limitations, often related to time or features. So download it, play around, and let your creativity soar. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and I'll catch you in the next one.